images look like they came straight out of a campaign, but they were shot right here in my living room, and I will show you exactly how to recreate this editorial look. Hi, I'm Tanja, a portrait photographer based in Düsseldorf. A lot of people think you need a big studio, expensive gear and lots of space to get a look like this. But honestly, what you really need is control over your light. So let me show you my setup. My main light is a 90 cm softbox from KF Concept, Unpigmentation, and the light isn't just coming from the side, it's coming from slightly above, pretty much from the front. So just above the face, angled down. And that's what gives you instant structure. Shadows under the cheekbones, under the chin, and suddenly the image doesn't feel flat anymore. And this is Lara, by the way, our beautiful model. And in a second I will show you a simple little hack that instantly makes your images feel more alive. No Photoshop needed.
Me encanta, vamos a comernos hasta la tanta. Y yo sé que eres diabla, porque siempre te haces la santa. Si la buena me aburre, la mala me levantan. Todo comenzó con un contacto visual, y sin pensarlo dos veces ya te quería tocar. 3 besos te bastan. Quiero más de un vaso de ron, tú sabes que yo quiero la botella.
To keep things from getting too harsh, I added a fill light. A Godox V1, also unpaid mention, and I shot it through a shoot-through umbrella 80 centimeters, roughly roundabout in diameter, and then I bounced it off the ceiling in this way. So we had super soft light, and that way the shadows stay, but they don't feel too heavy. If this is helpful so far, feel free to leave a like or subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and let me know in the comments what you struggle the most during your portrait session, so I can do a video about it. And now we move on. Now here's the part that really makes a difference. It's movement. We just took my hairdryer and taped it to the light stand with masking tape, important. Use masking tape, nothing else, so you can remove it cleanly without any residue. And that adds movement to the hair, and suddenly the image feels alive. And honestly, the outfit does at least half the work here. This combo, Calvin Klein underwear, the jeans and the leather jacket, that's already the look. That didn't work quite as well. The fabric was lightly see-through, and we weren't exactly going for an 80+ adult shoot, so we tried everything, band-aids and all that things. But somehow that was even more visible because the color just didn't match. And then I had my creative idea, baking paper. At first it actually worked. Nothing showed through anymore. But then came the problem, movement. It created wrinkles and you could see them through the fabric. And afterwards I had a lot of fun in Photoshop. Yes, so quick tip, just get yourself some pasties seriously and thank me later. Quiero más de un vaso de ron, tú sabes que yo quiero la botella. And if your space feels way too small, I will show you one more trick to still get a perfectly clean background. Especially with a 35mm lens, you often capture more of the room than you want. I extended the background here. You can do that in Photoshop or like me in a photo. It's only one click and done. It's an unpaid motion, but I love it, and I will send you down below the link to Evoto if you want to try it. And now if you're wondering what I shot this with, I used my Sony Alpha 7 Mark III and actually my most affordable lenses, the Tamron 35mm f2.8 and the Sony 50mm f1.8. So really nothing high-end. Even the background. It's an old vinyl backdrop with stains. But even that is super easy to clean up these days with tools like Evoto. It's only one click. So, let's recap. Light from above for structure, soft fill light for control, movement for life and styling for the look. And that's how you get images that look like they came straight out of a campaign, even if you're just standing in your living room. And if you want to see how I create a similar editorial look using only daylight, no flash, check out this video next. It builds perfectly on this one. See you there. Bye!